Hello friend, welcome to saanvistudy. Today is the topic in essay on parrot. So let's start. First line, the parrot is a beautiful bird. Second line, it is green in color. Third line, parrots have a cut's beak. Fourth line, they can copy human voice. Fifth line, parrots eat fruits and seeds. Sixth line, they live on trees. Seventh line, parrots have strong wings. Eighth line, they are very intelligent birds. Ninth line, parrots like to live in groups. Tenth line, the parrot is loved by everyone. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, friend.